Hey guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to install Rank Math SEO in your WordPress. For this you need to bring your cursor to plugins in the sidebar and then click on add new, and then in search box you need to type Rank Math SEO and then press enter, and from here you need to install Rank Math SEO plugin. After installing Rank Math SEO you need to activate it. Once it's activated it will be shown to you in this sidebar. Then you need to click on Rank Math SEO, and from here you need to click on setup wizard, and then you need to select advanced and click on start wizard. Now you need to explain your website. Free chat GPT is a personal blog. I'll enter my website name and its alternate name, and then I'll write my organization name. If you have a logo of your website, you need to upload the logo here and then click on save and continue. And then you need to connect your Rank Math account. I'll click on Rank Math account. I'll connect it with my Google account. Okay, once it's connected, then you need to add your search console. Then click on save and continue. Here you need to choose sitemap configuration. Once you have chosen it, then click on save and continue. Again save and continue. And your site is ready now. Click on setup advanced option. Here you need to set capabilities. You need to add administrator, editor, author, contributor, and many more. Once you have set capabilities, then you need to click on save and continue. Then you need to set default values for the 404 error monitor here, and then again click on save and continue, and your Rank Math SEO will be installed. This is how you can install Rank Math SEO. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.